Welcome to Space to Ground. I'm Kayla LaFrance. It's been a marathon of spacewalks this month as the crew aboard the International Space Station continues to improve and update the orbiting laboratory. Last Friday, NASA astronauts and Expedition 69 crew members Steve Bowen and Woody Hoberg concluded their first of 2 spacewalks after 6 hours and 3 minutes outside the space station. Bowen and Hoberg completed all of the objectives for the first spacewalk to install an iROSA to augment power generation for the 1A power channel on the station's starboard truss structure. The dynamic duo ventured back outside on Thursday this week to install the 6th in the series of iROSAs on the starboard 6 truss of the station for the 1B power channel. This week's spacewalk was the 265th spacewalk in support of space station assembly, upgrade, and maintenance. It was the 10th spacewalk for Bowen and the 2nd for Hoberg. And join us next week when Roscosmos cosmonauts don their Orlan spacesuits and venture outside to remove experiment hardware and install new data transmission hardware. This spacewalk will take place on Thursday, June 22nd at approximately 10:20 a.m. Eastern and is scheduled to last about 7 hours. The International Space Station is a global observation station. It promotes international Earth observations aimed at understanding and resolving the environmental issues of our home planet. The space station offers a unique vantage point for observing the Earth's ecosystems with hands-on and automated equipment. These options enable astronauts to observe and explain what they witness in real time. In recent weeks, the crew of the space station have been photographing the wildfires currently burning across Canada. These photos of the fire near Shelburne, Nova Scotia, were taken on May 29th. Within a few days, the fire had scorched over 75 square miles, making it the largest forest fire in Nova Scotia history. The smoke from these wildfires caused historically poor air quality in the northeastern region of the United States. You can also browse and download imagery of satellite data from NASA's constellation of Earth-observing satellites. Head over to earthobservatory.nasa.gov and explore our world from above. That's Space to Ground for this week. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next week.
Subscribe for more space.